Once upon a time, in a toy store far away, there was a unique toy named Plastic Man. He was not like the other toys. Plastic Man could change his shape at will. One sunny day, Plastic Man decided to explore the toy store. He stretched himself into a long, thin rope and slithered around the shelves. He was having so much fun. Suddenly, a little girl named Lily came running in. She was looking for a toy to play with. As she ran past Plastic Man, he saw her sad face. He wanted to help. Plastic Man quickly transformed himself into a teddy bear and hid behind a shelf. Lily walked by, and Plastic Man jumped out, scaring her a little. But then, he gave her a big, friendly hug. Lily laughed and picked up Plastic Man. "You're a funny toy," she said. "I'll take you home with me." At home, Lily played with Plastic Man all afternoon. He changed shapes to make her laugh and have fun. They played hide and seek, pretending Plastic Man was a magical genie. As the sun began to set, Lily's mother called her to bed. Lily gave Plastic Man a big hug and put him on her nightstand. That night, Plastic Man watched over Lily as she slept. He was happy to bring joy to a little girl, and he knew he would always be there for her. From that day on, Plastic Man became Lily's best friend. He brought laughter, joy, and magic into her life. And every night, he would watch over her as she slept, making sure she was safe and sound. So, the next time you see a toy store, remember Plastic Man. He's not just a toy, he's a friend who can change shapes and bring joy to anyone who needs it. And who knows, maybe one day, you'll find your own Plastic Man to bring magic into your life. Good night.